do you like the snowstorm?
Yeah.
Because I work all week. I started my new job 3 weeks ago, and he was used to, I took 2.5 months off.
Oh.
So he's not used to me being gone a lot, so now he wouldn't even let me come shut off my car alone.
Oh.
It's sad, like he has like PTSD, like when I shut a door or even go out to the garage, he loses his mind like I'm leaving. But yeah, he's so cute, look at him. There's my little buddy home. I mean, he's so cute. Why would I want to ever leave this guy at work? Oh, he's so cute. But now I'm like trapped in this blizzard in the car because he doesn't want to get out. But he's so cute. Holden, what are you doing? Hey, get up here. What do you mean no? You're going inside. I got to snow blow the driveway that was literally, if you follow my content yesterday, there was literally the kids were freaking biking and scootering, and that's why we did it too. They wanted to, and I'm like, well, I guess if a snowstorm's coming. But a lot of times in Minnesota or anywhere, I think, because when we lived in Florida, it was like that too. They'll say, oh, a giant storm's coming, and then you get like half an inch. So I didn't really believe in it, but it happened. All right, Holden, let's go inside. What are you eating? Muffin?
Yeah.
Get back here! Get up here. Give me that muffin.